So excited to have you floating with us here at the Zinzin for your first time. And we're going to go over a little bit about what to expect during floating.
Yeah.
And we can cover some things and if you have any questions for me. So let's start off with what's one of your first questions?
Well, I didn't shower before I came.
Yeah.
Do I need to do
No,
that?
that's completely fine. We actually say that you do need to, we require you to rinse off in our rain shower just with the water beforehand to get off any oils on the body before stepping in. And then we do highly suggest with washing off after with shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel because the salt gets really thick and heavy.
Cool. Okay. And what can I wear in the float?
So when you're floating, you can either go completely nude. That's what we recommend for most people. You have the room all to yourself. Or you can wear a swimming suit. We just recommend nothing big and baggy that's going to kind of interfere and tickle you, bring you more to awareness during your float.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
So how long do I float?
Well, you can choose between 30, 60, and 90-minute sessions, just kind of based on what you're looking for. 30 is going to be a little bit more of a refresher. 60 minutes is going to be a little more of taking your body more into a meditative state. And then 90 minutes, of course, is heaven.
Nice.
Right.
Okay, cool. So what if I fall asleep in the float? Like
Yeah.
I get that relaxed.
So, we've never actually had anybody fully fall asleep. Like, they'll tell us they did, but we've never had to come in and wake them up. But we can do so. Of course, you'll have the door locked during your service. We have a key to get in if we need to. But the jets come on, and you can typically hear those pretty well. It brings you to. But if for any reason not, we come in and give a nice little knock to wake you up.
Okay, cool. So how do I float? Like
Yeah.
face up, face down? Like what's that like?
So you're always going to want to lay face up on your back. We do recommend stepping in and putting your head in that direction so you can control all the lighting and sound on your
Okay.
right hand side.
Nice.
And then, as far as floating goes, you can get some pain and discomfort in the midst of floating.
Okay.
Just like you would if you're getting a chiropractic appointment or a massage. Sometimes it can have some pain, but that actually means it's doing the job. What I tell people is floating with your arms up, maybe across your chest. Just really allow your body to relax and see what feels comfortable for you. And if you do start getting some stiffness, soreness, just do a little moving around and that will help dissipate. And then it'll even dissipate even more throughout the day. But if you are nervous about getting your head in the water, anything like that,
Yeah,
maybe
like water in my
ears or
face,
anything, we do have tools as far as like pillows and a noodle that we could have you place under your head.
Okay.
We don't recommend it if you're wanting full benefits, but we're also here to meet your needs. So if that's where you start at, that's where you start at.
Cool. And you said water on my face,
Yeah.
or in my ears.
Yeah,
Do you have
so
anything for that?
we do have earplugs. So these are the nice putty kind that just kind of nicely seal in. That'll help protect the water from getting in your ears. As well as we recommend once you've rinsed off, really wiping your face dry so that it's not any dripping when you first get in and you want to touch it. And then keeping that washcloth with you, so for any reason you feel like you do get any moisture on your face, you're not wiping salt water in your eyes.
Right.
You can grab the washcloth and wipe your eyes with that.
Okay, cool. Now, probably my biggest concern is like claustrophobia.
Right.
So how could I float or use the float if I'm afraid of like being closed in?
So you can still totally use the float. You can leave it all the way open if you'd like. Or we can show you how to prop it open as well. Now the major difference with leaving it open means it does not become fully soundproof.
Okay.
And you might get some cold chills or anything like that because you do have air flowing throughout the room versus having it completely closed allows for more of a sensory deprivation effect,
Okay.
which means that you're allowing your body and mind to escape from all the outside world.
Right.
And so what that does is it takes out light, sound, and any type of outside stimulus.
Okay.
But propping it open is kind of a good medium that people have found that allows a little bit of airflow with still giving them some silence, but it also makes them feel like they're not like trapped in something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense. So, minor cuts, tattoos.
Yeah.
Like, are those things okay? How do I?
Of course, so minor cuts, if it's going to be something major, like maybe like a little paper cut, something like that, it may burn for the first few minutes, but it's actually clearing it up. But if you're concerned with anything like that, we do have Vaseline here,
Okay.
and that does help to act like a waterproof Band-Aid.
Nice.
So I'll give you the earplugs and Vaseline for you to use here in just a moment. But if it's anything major, like you've had a big gash, you definitely want time for that to heal.
Okay.
Or if you've had any surgeries and have, scarring or like
An
what I'm
open
looking for, an
wound,
open wound, then you would definitely want to wait 4 to 6 weeks, as well as like tattoos.
Okay.
Just like you wouldn't want to go get in the salt water in the beach, you wouldn't want to get in the floating with that. So
That makes sense.
yeah.
Now, I know it has a lot of health benefits, but what if I have major health concerns?
So if anything's really major, like as far as like an insulin pump, diabetes, maybe really extreme low blood pressure, those are things you would definitely want to consult with your doctor about, because not that it couldn't be done or beneficial, we just want to make sure that we're giving you, the best environment for that. And if your blood pressure is really low, this calming experience could help to, it helps to lower your blood pressure.
Right.
So
Yeah.
you definitely want to consult with the doctor. But it's really cool because HSA and FSA also does cover.
Cool.
So if you're using that for medical relief benefits, and getting a doctor's note will help save it coming out of your pocket, and save you tax too.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And I heard these were good for pregnancy. Is that true?
Yeah.
Okay.
So not only does it help your body to relax, take away a lot of the aches and pains from pregnancy, but it helps you to connect and becoming one with the water and the baby in the womb. So yes, but we would always recommend just getting it cleared through your doctor to make sure there's no issues as far as high risk or anything like that.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Well, I'm excited.
Anything else I can answer for you?
I don't think so.
All right, well enjoy.